Welcome to day 2 of the 30-day English speaking challenge. If you spoke with me on day 1, you've already taken the hardest step. You started. Today, we are not learning big words. We are not focusing on grammar rules. Today, we are learning how to sound confident even when your English is simple. Many people think confidence comes from advanced English. That's not true. Confidence comes from how you speak, not how much English you know. Native speakers often use very simple sentences, but they sound confident because they speak clearly, slowly, and with control. In today's practice, you will learn how to speak without rushing, use pauses correctly, sound calm and confident, stop apologizing for your English. Even if your sentences are short, your voice will sound strong. By the end of day 2, you will feel the difference. Not because your English became advanced, but because you started speaking like you belong in the conversation. So relax your shoulders, take a breath, and let's begin day 2. Sit straight. Relax your jaw. Say softly but clearly, I am calm. Say it again, slower. I am calm. Let's start the lesson of day 2. I woke up early today. I drank tea and read a book. The weather was nice. Now, repeat this aloud in your own words. I woke up early today. I drank tea and read a book. The weather was nice. Then expand. I woke up early today because I wanted to finish my work. Say slowly, I drank tea and read a book to feel relaxed. The weather was nice, so I went for a short walk. I lost my keys this morning. I searched everywhere. Then I found them in my bag. Now repeat each part. I lost my keys this morning. I searched everywhere. Then I found them in my bag. Add your own feeling, reaction. I felt nervous because I was late. I stayed calm and checked my bag carefully. Use a strong but simple voice. Pause naturally between sentences. Speak slowly, clearly, and with a calm tone. Now we move into free-flow speaking. As you listen, speak along with me or slightly after me. Use my sentences as a guide and change them to match your life. Say something like this. Today was a normal day for me. I started my morning calmly. I worked or studied for some time. One small thing went well today. Right now, I feel relaxed and focused. Now say it again using your own details. Use these ideas to speak continuously. I usually wake up early or on time. I spend my morning preparing for the day. During the day, I focus on my work or studies. In the evening, I try to relax or learn something new. This routine helps me stay organized. Change the words to fit your life and speak again. Pausing is not weakness. Pausing shows control. Repeat. I pause before my next idea. Now, say this sentence with a pause. I am learning English every day. Say it again naturally. You always have thoughts. You just need to turn them into simple sentences. Repeat. Right now, I am thinking. I will say it simply. I don't need big words. Now speak this slowly. Today, I practiced English. Add one detail. Today, I practiced English calmly. Add one more. Today, I practiced English calmly and I feel confident. Many learners speak while thinking. Confident speakers think first, then speak clearly. Practice this habit. Repeat after me. I take a moment to think. I speak after I am ready. I don't rush my words. Say all three together naturally. I take a moment to think. I speak after I am ready. I don't rush my words. Confidence is not about loudness. Confidence is about starting clearly and finishing calmly. Repeat. I want to share something. Now finish calmly. It is important to me. Say both together. I want to share something. It is important to me. I completed my homework early today. I felt proud. I had extra time to relax. Repeat aloud. I completed my homework early today. I felt proud. I had extra time to relax. Now add details, reasons. Speak slowly. I completed my homework early today so I could rest. I felt proud because I worked efficiently. I had extra time to relax and enjoy my favorite music. Speak clearly with a slight pause after each idea. I prefer tea over coffee in the morning because it relaxes me. Repeat aloud. I prefer tea over coffee in the morning. It relaxes me. Now add, I usually drink it while reading a book. I recommend it to friends who want a calm start to the day. Speak naturally and confidently, even if the sentences are short. Use these sentences as a base. Practicing English every day is important. It helps me feel more confident. Daily practice removes fear. Slow improvement is still real improvement. Consistency matters more than perfection. Now, pause the video and say the follow this structure. One day, I faced a small problem. At first, I felt a little nervous. Then, I stayed calm and handled it. In the end, everything worked out. I learned something from this experience. Pause the video. Replace the story with your own situation and speak again. Same idea in your own way. Speak along. This challenge is helping me speak more. I am not afraid of simple sentences. I focus on clarity, not perfection. Each day my confidence is growing. I am proud of my effort. Pause and say it again with your own words. What you practiced today is real English. You shared ideas. You explained thoughts. You spoke continuously. This is how fluency begins. You don't need long sentences. You don't need advanced words. You only need the habit of speaking every day. If you keep showing up like this, English will stop feeling difficult. It will start feeling natural. Day 2 is complete. Rest your voice and come back tomorrow for day 3. We will build even smoother speaking flow. Before you leave, take one small action. In the comments, write one sentence about your day in English. It can be simple. It can be short. What matters is that you write and use English today. Don't worry about mistakes. This is practice, not an exam. If you spoke with me today, you are already improving. Consistency beats talent. Daily effort builds fluency. If you want to continue this challenge and speak English with confidence, subscribe to the channel and stay with me till day 30. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.